Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get tasks on TaskRabbit. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is open up a web browser and head on over to TaskRabbit.com. From here, go ahead and click on the Become a Tasker. And you're going to be brought to this page here where it says earn money your way. See how much you can make a tasking on TaskRabbit. So from here, you want to go ahead and select your area, choose a category, and then from here go ahead and click on get started. Now from here, select your area. So for this demonstration, I'm going to say I'm in Albuquerque. Choose category. So they've got a few different categories to choose from appliance installation, repairs, baby proofing, all the way to yard work. So go ahead and choose which one you want to go into. So I'm going to do snow removal, and then under that you're going to see what you're going to get per hour. So snow removal is $23 per hour. If I do light carpentry is $48. So depending what you do, it's just going to vary. From here, if you've got an account, go ahead and click on the sign in button. So put in your email address or password. Now if you don't have an account, that's okay, and go ahead and click on get started. So from here, you want to put an email, also your first name, last name, your mobile number, create password, click on I acknowledge I'm a sole proprietor and I agree to the terms, and then click create account. Now once you've created an account or filled out the application form, you might need to pay a one-time registration fee, and this does vary by region, and also complete the background checks and verification. From there, you want to set up your profile. So you want to add a clear photo and write a strong bio highlighting your skills. Now choose the categories you want to work in and set your hourly rates. Be competitive but realistic. Also add your availability calendar. And now once you've done that, you want to go ahead and download the app on your App Store or Google Play. So once you download the app, open up the Tasker app and then go to Tasks tab. Here you'll see clients posting jobs in your choosing categories. Tasks show you details like location, description, time, and budget. Also, you might receive task invitations, so TaskRabbit will notify you when clients in your area post tasks that match your profile. You can accept or decline in these invitations based on your schedule.